Alright, so we're back out here. Everyone seemed to like my last video, so thought I'd make another one. We're in the Bluerock Wildland Provincial Park. Just got a bunch of snow, so kind of regretting not bringing my snowshoes. And yeah, this one's kind of in the middle of nowhere, so excited for it. It's absolutely beautiful out here, and I keep looking behind me because there's a moose just sitting right in the snow. I walked right by it and didn't even see it, so it's a little bit sketchy. I'll try to get a video of it here, but I don't really want to get any closer because those things are not very nice sometimes, so don't really want to get trampled. But yeah, it's gonna be good. Let's go. Alright, so he's right over there. I kind of wish I brought my lens that zooms in a little bit more, but that's about as close as I want to get right now. Yeah, so this snow is about maybe 2 feet deep. Yeah, it's funny, I brought my snowshoes last time and didn't really need them, but we're in a completely different area, and yeah, definitely got a little bit more snow. Good couple inches on the trees and stuff, but it looks like there is just a little lake, kind of an opening, a kilometer or so from here, so I'm gonna keep trudging, and goals to kind of get to that. I think it'll be pretty nice. But yeah. Oh, holy crap. Oh, that's pretty tiring. Oh, look at this view. Oh my god. The big mountains are just on the other side of those hills, but visibility's not the greatest today, so can't see them, but not complaining. That's nice. So yeah, we'll find somewhere good around here and set up camp. Okay, so I got this tarp here. Again, same as last time. It's not snowing or really windy at all, so don't really need a tent. I got this piece of wood laid across there. I'm thinking drape the tarp kind of like this. Maybe tie it to these trees here, and then yeah, a little fire pit right here should be pretty good. Alright, tarp's definitely not the greatest. I just found it in my garage. Don't really know what it was used for, but got a couple holes in there and stuff, but honestly this will work. I like that I got this one side covered as well, so yeah. Need to flatten it out a little bit in here, but oh, that'll do. It's pretty cozy. Sun's starting to go down though. It's about 5:30, so probably want to start getting some wood, get the fire going. Getting wood's a lot easier with two people. Alright, sun's starting to go down here. Getting pretty dark, but got a good amount of firewood. So we'll get that going, and yeah, I got some better food than last time. No more nasty chicken. So excited to cook that up, and yeah, should be good. I think we might be getting a little bit of snow too, so we'll see. Oh, this is good wood, nice and dry. Alright, fire's going. Let's go. Some of that wood was actually a bit more wet than I thought, so kind of tough to get her going, but slowly building. But yeah, that's kind of it for camp chores for a bit. Got wood for quite a while, so yeah, just gonna chill, build this baby up, and then once she gets big and we got some ashes, we'll whip out the food. Alright, so made a couple adjustments. Sleeping bags, all in there, everything's set up. But yeah, I just brought this one corner down. So now really I've got kind of 3 corners of wind protection, and feels a bit safer as well. And yeah, it's not too bad. Actually, I'll show you in there. Yeah, feet are a little squished by the tarp, but oh, that's pretty nice. Alright, so fire's been going for a bit. Got this food opened up and get going. Got some good stuff today. Med kit. So we're gonna have some brown rice with some nice sausages, like their chorizo. Got 2 of those there. And then we'll have a couple of protein bars, but then for dessert, oh please tell me, oh no, it melted. Well, I had ice cream, tried putting it in a bag with some ice. It's a little melted, it's kind of like a cream. I think if I put it in the snow for a bit, I might be able to get that solid a little bit. But yeah, then some blueberry pie, which is a little bit squished, but no issues. So yeah, for now we'll open up these sausages. I'm gonna put this in the snow. Hopefully it freezes a little bit. But yeah, should be good. Brought the little grill this time too, so don't have to worry about them falling in the fire. Alright, and then for the rice, got my little pot here. Yeah, it's a little bit nicer having that grill this time. Didn't have her last time, just tried cooking the chicken in tin foil, which didn't work out, and when I tried putting on the coals, ended up just being really ashy and full of sticks. Definitely wasn't the best thing I've eaten, so. Usually we bring the grill, I don't know why I didn't last time, but. Alright, got some water in there. And I'll probably just put this right there as well. Let her come to a boil. And yeah, wait for a bit. Oh, I'm just getting smoked out here. Alright, sausages have been on for about 20 minutes. We'll just cut one of those open. And, can't even sit here though. Oh my god. Go hold my breath. Oh my god. Sorry, just 1 second there. Alright, I'm gonna have to move here. Alright, that's a bit better. The wind is blowing right at me. Alright, so rice. Oh yeah, she's finally boiling. It's coming along. Put that over there. Let's see how these are. Little burnt in some areas, but it's not an issue. Oh yeah, she's cooked. Beauty. Just cutting these up. Probably, mix it all together after. Such a nice night out. Literally zero wind. It's completely quiet out here. Heard a couple birds earlier as the sun was going down, but then we saw the moose. But besides that, yeah, it's been pretty quiet for sure. Alright, she's all done. Got these sausages and the rice here. All these things are crispy. Tried one. Pretty darn good, so it should be good. Oh, I'm losing one. Oh. Got it. Try not to touch them with my hands. Don't really want meat juice all over me, even though it is winter, but could still be bears roaming around, Alright. Yeah, so just got some brown rice with some sausage in there. Nothing special, but should be good. Alright, so unfortunate news. Put the ice cream in the snow for an hour or so. Still pretty liquidy, so not gonna have ice cream, I guess, at least in a regular format. What I might do is, so I'll take out the pie here, nice and smushed. Blueberry, the best flavors, of course. Get that in there. Alright, so I'm going to warm that up, and then this is still pretty cold, so what I think I might do is just kind of, as I eat it, just drizzle some of that on there. And I mean, it's decently thick. It's kind of like icy. Just not your typical ice cream. So now I'll warm this thing up. Might put a squirt of water in there at the bottom, just to give a little bit of steam. And we'll throw the lid on. Just put that over the coals right there. Alright, she's warmed up. Not the best presentation, but we're camping, so alright, now I'm gonna get a little bit of this liquid ice cream on there. Kind of like a sauce almost, you know. See how that tastes. Cheers. Oh yeah. Tastes the same as at home pretty much. Oh, that was pretty good. It's nice and full now. But yeah, it's about 9:30 right now, so not super late yet. Probably gonna go to bed at around 11 or 12. Yeah, just gonna chill for a bit, listening to a podcast, a little Sean Ryan action, and yeah, just hang out. It's super dark out right now as well, like with the headlamp off. I mean, obviously I have the firelight, but like it's just pitch black. And then there's kind of an overcast layer above too, so 0 stars. I'm pretty sure it's like a new moon. A little bit different than when I was last out here. It was a full moon, and yeah, it was so bright, like insanely bright, but not too scary. I mean, got a big fire here, you guys to chat to, and yeah, like I said, the podcast as well. So yeah, just hang out for a bit. Alright, so it's 12:01 or something like that. Yeah, and last checked in, what was it, 9:30, so 2.5 hours ago. Just been kind of chilling, listening to some good podcasts, and yeah, had to get some more firewood, cut down another big dead tree. Got some good logs on here, so should burn for quite a bit. And then walk back up the hill to kind of put all my smelly stuff away, but yeah, I think I'm ready for bed, so I'm gonna crawl into my sleeping bag and should be good. See you guys in the morning. Good morning. It's pretty cold out. Not too bad of a sleep. Slept from probably like 12:30 to 3:30, and then couldn't fall asleep till like 5 again, and then slept till like 8. So yeah, 6 hours sleep. Pretty typical for being outside. Don't sleep the greatest, but not bad, not bad. Get up here and start putting stuff away. everything packed up here, so that'll be the end of the video. Just got like an hour hike back, so, but yeah, that was pretty fun. So thanks for anyone that watched, and maybe I'll do another one of these. Let me know. See ya.